Jordan Brand has just reintroduced one of the most legendary Olympic-themed sneakers ever, the Air Jordan 6 Olympics. This special edition sneaker originally debuted in the 2000s for the Sydney Olympic Games, showcasing a patriotic blend of white, navy, and red to create an iconic and unique and just overall classic sneaker. And if you didn't know, the sneaker is to honor the USA. Although MJ didn't wear these in his iconic 1992 Dream Team Olympic run, he did win a championship in the Air Jordan 6, his first championship to be exact. For over a decade, the Air Jordan 6 Olympic was a highly coveted sneaker that everybody had to have, and now finally I have my hands on a pair. When Jordan Brand re-released this sneaker in 2012, I was first introduced to the Air Jordan 6 Olympic, and it was a shoe that I had to have. In 2012 I was 13, so I didn't really have the funds for this sneaker, but now in 2024 I'm an adult, and as you can see, I was obviously able to get them. With the 2024 pair of the Air Jordan 6 Olympic, Jordan Brand stayed true to the original color blocking of the Air Jordan 6 Olympic, and people seem to be really happy with these, me included. Jordan Brand also re-released this sneaker in full family sizing, so any one part of the fam can get this shoe and rock it whenever they feel like. This sneaker released August 3rd for a retail price of $200. I know some people were saying $210, $215, but for me, what I saw on Nike was $200. This sneaker is super nice in hand. We have tumbled leather all over the white leather and navy leather. Pretty much if there's leather on the sneaker, it is indeed tumbled. The bumps on the side of the sneaker, I don't actually know what they're called, but they're supposed to be tumbled, but because they're pushed out of the shoe, the tumbled is there but kind of faded. But nonetheless, it looks really good. Usually I'm not a fan of these pockets or these side panels things on the Air Jordan 6, but I don't mind them on this pair in particular. The tongue on the sneaker is not too long and not too short. It seems like Jordan Brand finally got the hang of the measurements for this shoe. We also have a red Jordan Jumpman on the heel. The sneaker would of course look better with Nike Air, but Nike Air was not a part of the original iteration of this sneaker. When it comes to sizing, these do fit true to size, although I did go a full size up. I simply went a full size up because all my Jordan 6s are in a size 13, so I might as well continue that trend with this pair. But feel free to go true to size or even a half size up. You do not need to go a full size up, but if you do, you pretty much won't really have an issue. I'm normally a US size 12. Like I said earlier, these are a size 13 and they pretty much fit fine. I don't have any issue, but once again, go to your true to size. Go a half size up only if you need to, which you probably won't need to because these sneakers are, as of right now, are available everywhere. When it comes to comfort, these sneakers are old. They're from the 1990s. These are not a Pro-Tro, just a retro, meaning that the interior of this shoe is pretty much the exact same interior you would find on this shoe back in the 1990s. So when it comes to comfortability, they're fine for all they wear, but if you're doing any athletic activity, you don't want to wear these, right? If you know you're going to be walking around all day for long periods of time, you don't want to wear these. These are more for like a casual look if you're going to a party, if you're going to work, if you're hanging out with friends, not for walking, running, or anything of that nature. So once again, when it comes to comfort, the comfort is regular, the comfort is average, but if you know you're going to be wearing these to like go shopping or to walk, this is not the pair for you. Just simple as that. As you know, with all Jordan retros, they're just meant for casual wear, not really anything more than that. When it comes to quality and craftsmanship, these get a 9 out of 10 from me. I think it's kind of surprising at this point that I'm giving Jordans 9s out of 10s, 10 out of 10s, because historically the quality has been a little bit bad, but Jordan Brand has definitely stepped up their game with their Jordan sneakers, especially with old colorways they're bringing back. Examining both of my shoes, I don't have any loose threading at all, right? Which is mainly something you see when it comes to Jordans. I don't have any glue stains and everything is pretty much where it needs to be. The paint is exactly where it needs to be. Nothing is slanted, nothing is crooked. I give these a 9 out of 10. I really like this shoe. I'm glad I got them, and they also look really good with this jacket as well. And now finally, I know you're watching this video and you're wondering, hey, should I get the Air Jordan 6 Olympics? Are they worth it? Should I pay that $200 price tag plus shipping and taxes and all of that? And honestly, if you wanted these shoes back in 06, if you wanted them back in 2012, and now is your first opportunity to get them, I honestly would say pull the trigger and get these shoes. The quality is there. The color blocking is there. The colors are nice and vibrant. These will look really good on feet. These are really good. That's really all I can say. I wanted this shoe back in 2012, wasn't able to get them. Now I'm finally able to get them. I got them in hand, as you can see, and I do not regret it. They look great in hand. They're gonna look even better on feet. If you want them, trust me, they are worth it. If you can get them on sale, even better. But these shoes, you will not go wrong with a pair. Trust me. me on that one. I set my alarm for 9:58 a.m. 10 a.m. came. I got my pair easy, no issues, no complications. I got them, picked them up at the Nike store, and now I'm chilling. I don't know if I should wear these now or wait to wear them in the future, but we'll just have to wait and see. Thank y'all for watching this video. The On Feet is up next, but before you get out of here, my name is Chris Claxton. This is my platform, Something Like Media, a hub for all things fashion, sneakers, photography, and just pop culture in general. If you like this video and you like what you see here, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. It goes a long way for me, and it's a very small step for you. Once again, thank you for watching. Check out the On Feet. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.